How to find your inventory on Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on finding your inventory on your Roblox mobile application. So now let's get started. First of all, launch your Roblox application on your mobile device and make sure that this application is updated to its latest version available from your Play Store or App Store according to your device. After that, once the Roblox is opened and you're in the home page, tap on the More icon from the bottom of the screen. Now from the page that appears, simply scroll down and there you will see the option of inventory that is just beside the communities option and below the friends option. Simply tap on it and you will be able to view your inventory easily. You can go through these categories and select one according to your choice and also go through the subcategory as well. And that's how you can easily find your inventory on Roblox mobile app. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.